What's up, everybody? My name is Omid Kazran, and I'm here to give a testimonial to my mentor, who I believe is an absolute genius in his field. Right here. This guy right here, Emeka Osai. So this book right here, this book really helped me hit my first 1,000 my Kindle publishing, and I've been able to scale tremendously from that. So Emeka has a course that you can take as well, and I signed up for the course, and I also have this book. But what really made this book, and it really set it apart from everything else, is that the book is essentially like a step-by-step guide you can follow while you're building your business to hit your first 1,000. So you can literally open the book up. It's a little book. It's really quick. Open the book up. Get to this. Read this. Don't move on until you hit that, until you take your action step for this, and then you move on. And the book has about 60 pages, and it's so in-depth, and there's no fluff. It's hardcore content that you can apply into your business as soon as possible. If you can't seem to afford his course just yet, I highly recommend getting this book. Even though it's a $99 investment for the course, even a book itself can make a difference for you. This guy's the best. So I highly, highly, highly recommend you guys give this a shot. It's amazing.